Welcome to Around the Wood. Please get ready and fasten your seatbelts because you are all about to embark on an exciting journey. So sit back, enjoy, and watch until the end. The first one, Oregon CS1500. Oregon CS1500 is an automatic tree cutting machine that's got power-sharp technology, letting you sharpen the blade on the fly while you're working. With its killer cutting power and automatic slide system, this tool is perfect for heavy-duty jobs in the woods. Plus, the Oregon CS1500 runs quiet. Next, Hyundai HYC6220. Hyundai HYC6220 is a pro tree cutting machine with some serious power. It's got a big blade and an automatic slide tech that makes it super efficient for tackling those massive trees. With its anti-vibration system and balanced weight, this tool keeps you comfy even during those long cutting sessions. Next, Ryobi RCS5145B. Ryobi RCS5145B is an automatic tree cutting tool built for reliability and efficiency. With a 45 cubic centimeter engine and a long cutting blade, it's perfect for medium to large trees. Its automatic slide technology delivers high-precision cuts, while the ergonomic design makes it easy and comfy to use. Next, EFCO MT8200. EFCO MT8200 is the perfect pick for big forestry projects. With a powerful 82 cubic centimeter engine, This tool can tackle large trees quickly and precisely. Its automatic slide system makes the job a breeze, and the durable materials make it a solid investment for pros. Next, Parker PCS 6200. Parker PCS 6200 is an automatic tree-cutting tool made for the pros. Its 62 cubic centimeter engine packs a serious punch, giving you enough power to cut through big trees. With a sharp blade and an automatic slide system, this tool guarantees max efficiency on the job. Plus, its rugged design makes it tough enough to handle heavy-duty terrain. Next, Bommer AG SX 82. Bommer AG SX 82 is an automatic tree-cutting machine with killer performance. This beast has strong cutting power, easily handling big trees. Its automatic slide system and ergonomic design strike the perfect balance between power and comfort. Next, Craftsman S205. Craftsman S205 is a reliable automatic tree-cutting tool with a 46 cubic centimeter engine built for heavy-duty work. Its automatic slide system makes felling big trees a piece of cake with high precision. The compact design and anti-vibration features keep it comfy to use for long stretches. Next, Holzforma G888. Holzforma G888 is a heavy-duty tree-cutting tool with a massive 122 cubic centimeter engine. It's built for big-time felling jobs in the woods. Its automatic slide system delivers high efficiency, while the large blade ensures perfect cuts, even on those giant trees. Next, Hulan Pro PR 5020. Hulan Pro PR 5020 is the go-to choice for anyone looking for an affordable yet high-performance automatic tree-cutting machine. With a 50cc engine and a long blade, this tool makes felling big trees a breeze. Its automatic slide technology boosts precision and work speed. Next, Works WG384. Works WG384 is an eco-friendly, battery-powered automatic tree-cutting tool. With a brushless motor and an automatic slide system, it can tackle heavy-duty jobs with high efficiency. Designed for maximum mobility, this tool is perfect for working in hard-to-reach spots. So, what do you all think of these machines? Do they really help get the job done? Do they actually make work easier? Drop a comment on which machine you think is the best. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you won't miss any new videos from this channel. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.